Okay, in this video, we're going to learn about how to use XLookup. If you use VLOOKUP, the lookup key is here. The lookup key, the lookup range, right, is at the rightmost. You cannot achieve this because VLOOKUP always look at the leftmost. Okay, so how do you do that, right? So you use the XLookup, right, and then the key, the lookup value, and then highlight this list. You tell Excel, go to this, but using XLookup, yeah, go to this column and locate the value for the revenue for cookies and enter. So it's 5. So let's just see here for chocolate chips, it's 5. We'll change it to 6, and you can see that it is working fine now. Okay, so now then you can just double click, send it down. Now, we can do the same for the cost per cookies, right? Using the same thing, XLookup. Right again, against product key, then comma, highlight this list, comma, another list, then close parenthesis, enter, and then oh yeah, forgot. It's not this. It's actually would return this. Return the cost per cookies, right? So okay, so it's cost per cookies that time, and then enter. Then we have the cost per cookies. Again, one more time, right? You can see that. Okay, so this is how to return individual column for each of the matching item. And then now we look at the return multiple values. Okay, return multiple values. What XLookup can do is that it can return multiple values. So XLookup product key is this, then highlight the list, comma, highlight both of these, comma. Now watch the difference is that when they return, right, it return 2 columns of value. And make sure that we will also highlight the list and then lock both, lock this column and also this column and enter. So we can see that here it returned 2 columns at the same time. The next one is about the using the wildcard. So here's the example I learned, right? So equal XLookup. We want to learn to find out the name that has a W. It's a start with a W, right? Or if you want, you can use the asterisk A. And then the lookup array will start with the here, and then comma, and return value are also the same, right? Same column. I want to return the name, but what's different is that if not found, you can say not found, right? Not found. The match mode is the one that we want to extract onto one. So put there 2 wildcard characters and enter. So you can see that we get A, B, C groceries, right? So the last one is this. We can also search last to first and enter. Then we get SCE bytes. Why? Because the search is from the bottom to the up. If you put -1, the 2 cells that the lookup key, right, contains a wildcard. This is what it means. Next one is the search mode. So over here there is the 3 Lola and then there's 2 here. So how do you achieve this? Like what we showed you earlier, equal XLookup. Okay, the lookup is Lola, key is Lola, and then you search from here from here under shift L, right, comma, and then the return value is the order date, comma, Now what's different is that not found we can still put there not found. The mesh mode we do nothing because by default we use exact match. Then search mode is like what we show you just now. We can use search last to first. So the idea is to find out the dollar's last date, right? Last date. So put that as a short date. So you can see that it is the same as the earlier one. So let's say I'm interested in no Daisy, right? So Daisy again, I can put there Daisy. Last date 6, right? So look at here, Daisy last date are here. So its last date, the latest one is on the 6th, right? So yeah, let's see what's the month like, right? Because I don't know that what is their format. Oh, okay. So in the middle is January. Okay. Okay, that's it. Right. In this video, you learn the XLookup. You can look up individually, column by column, and then you can also return multiple column at the same time. The another one is to use the this one called wildcards, right? Wildcard. The last one is the search mode. Thanks for watching.